and this is day number 9. Today we're going to be talking about how to verify and check AI output and whatever prompts you're using to do the output, to get the output, and how to check that. Like small tips and tricks which you can maybe incorporate in your practice, which I have used and found them helpful. So the first one is that never copy paste anything from your ChatGPT or Claude chatbot, whatever you generate into a direct document which is either being uploaded for an associate, a legal memorandum, or even for a client. I think we should take AI as a first draft, and we should go over the grammar and verify all the sources in which we are looking from, and what AI is basically giving us. And we should check out the sources, and also we should check out the language if it matches our needs, and then we should copy paste it. And then sometimes if you can see that they have those extra hyphens and those grammar marks, which we know that it's been generated from AI. So we need to use AI wisely and for the benefit for ourselves. The second one is for legal research, and I think I kind of did mix up with this one with the first one, is that you need to definitely go back and check the primary source. You should also read the primary source, because sometimes it has happened with me that while researching, I have received I had a case judgment which the name was perfectly fine, but the facts of the case were hallucinated by ChatGPT, and this is pretty initial, like a few years back. But then when I actually went and printed out the case from Canley, the facts were pretty different. So definitely check your sources, very, very important. And the third one is, while you're checking your sources, I have tried this before when I've had less time to prepare for my cases. I have used 2 tools in one go. So ChatGPT was primarily my go-to, but recently Claude is also very good, especially with checking your sources. So if I generate something from ChatGPT, because I'm very used to that platform, I would paste the same thing and the same prompt or the generated output to Claude so that I could easily recheck it. I would still go through everything again, but it is just much easier to get the verified sources links from the same. And definitely dig deeper. Go through everything, and the sources are the most important. Fourth, for facts and citations, I would say go back to, this is another aspect of digging deeper. Go back to Canley, LexisNexis, federal court websites if you have to. Sometimes what I would do is, if I would do a filing in the federal court, I would check my steps through Claude and ChatGPT, but at the same time I would go on the federal court website and check those steps if they're correct or not. So just I know sometimes what happens is that with AI it's like double work, because you have to check everything, and I think I did a post on this a few days back on LinkedIn where I said that traditional methods of legal research versus AI methods of legal research, like in a prima facie, in the first instance, you would get more information when it comes to generating that content or the output of what you're trying to generate. But when it comes to the checking process, it almost takes you similar time. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. So if I do the research from scratch, from Canley or from anywhere, I know my sources are absolutely fine. So it would probably take me 2 hours. But there have been times where I have used AI, and in the first instance, I have received 10 case laws on something I'm trying to do. But at the same time, verifying those sources have taken me 2 hours. So it's a typical choice if you want to use artificial intelligence for your practice, but it's not always time reducing. It depends on what you're trying to use it for. And I would love to know if you think what I'm saying makes sense, and if it has happened to you as well before. So double checking is definitely my main thing which I wanted to put out in this video, and that verifying sources, not copy pasting directly, is very important.